family. Good morning. My name is Haji and I am the President and CEO of Hinopak Motors Limited. I am truly delighted to share that today we are marking a significant milestone in the journey of Hinopak Motors. I wish to be with you during this inauguration, but was unable to join due to some security concerns. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for being here today, and especially to Senator Mr. Shamin Afridi for honoring us with his esteemed presence at the inauguration of our newly established dealership in Quetta. I'd like to extend a special thank you to Mr. Abbas Afridi and the entire Hinozara Magan Motors team for their unwavering trust and commitment, particularly during these challenging times. The decision to establish a dealership in Quetta is in response to the growing demand for commercial vehicles and our commitment to delivering Hino total support. Quetta, a key hub in Balochistan, has long needed a world-class authorized 3S dealership to meet this demand. However, due to the extraordinary challenges brought by the COVID pandemic and the country's depressed economic situation, our dealership opening plan faced delays. Despite these obstacles, I am immensely proud to say that Hinozara Magan has successfully established a global standard 3S dealership right here in Quetta. I hope you will appreciate our efforts by touring the facility. Balochistan, especially Quetta, is a strategic location and a gateway to South Asia and Central Asia. We have also observed increasing demand for FM trucks in this region, reflecting its expanding commercial activities and infrastructure growth. Furthermore, such investment in Balochistan is noteworthy. This commitment, despite the region's challenges, underscores our confidence in this potential. Moving forward, I urge this dealership to continue working closely with customers. Your support in generating business and ensuring customer satisfaction will be key to our mutual success. Together, we can set new benchmarks in customer service. Once again, I thank you all for your ongoing support and look forward to see you in person very soon. Thank you. Pakistan Jindabad and Team Hino Pindabad.